Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 II and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video, and we can do it by using these two buttons here. When we tap on the video icon, we get access to the video mode here. So for now, let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and as you can see it gives us access to the camera settings, and in the video mode the video settings are in the first position here, and as you can see here we have the video stabilization button. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.